Hey everybody, this is Anjali Priyadarshini and you are watching Hodgepodge Study. In this video, I am here with new important days of month March. Let's start. On 1st March, there are two important days are observed. That is World Civil Defense Day and Zero Discrimination Day. Our next day is 3rd March. 3rd March is celebrated as World Wildlife Day and also World Hearing Day is celebrated on 3rd March. Move to the next one, that is 4th March. 4th March is celebrated as National Security Day. Now 8th March. 8th March is celebrated as International Women's Day. And do you know on which day National Women's Day is observed? If you know, then write your answer in comment section. Move to the next date, that is 14 March. 14 March is celebrated as Pi Day and also International Day of Action for River is celebrated on 14 March. Now 15 March. 15 March is celebrated as World Consumer Right Day. Now 18 March. 18 March is celebrated as Ordinance Factory Day. Move to the next date, that is 20 March. 20 March is celebrated as World Sparrow Day and International Day of Happiness is also celebrated on 20 March. Move to the next date, that is 21 March. 21 March is very important. First one is World Poetry Day, second one is World Forest Day and third one is World Down Syndrome Day. Move to the next date, that is 23rd March. 23rd March is celebrated as World Metrological Day. Now 24 March. 24 March is observed as World T.B. Day and 27 March. 27 March is celebrated as World Theatre Day. Thank you. This is for today's video. Please do like our video and thank you.